Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Well, thank you. So my question is, how many seagulls would you have to find in your town before you're getting suspicious that somebody was putting them in there?
How many before I got suspicious?
Yeah.
Ooh, I mean, I guess one seagull's like, oh, that could have come in just like through the window or whatever. Two seagulls, they're a pair bonded and they came in together. Three seagulls, like, they could be in a threesome, like I could buy that. Four seagulls, they're possibly two polyamorous pairs that never leave one another. Five seagulls is getting a little bit creepy. Like maybe once in a while, like if they all were, on something and like getting a little handsy, maybe they would all still be together. But if it was six seagulls, I would be suspicious that they were.
You could fight those 6 seagulls?
Could I fight them personally?
Yeah, like could you win in a fight against them?
Oh my God, I've had so many fights with seagulls. Yeah. What's that?
I said you seem really confident in that answer.
Why? Do you have fighting seagulls or something? She has a what? A plan? She's going to she's going to murder the cast of Supernaturals with seagulls? This is this nefarious plan. I'm going to sick my seagulls on you. My polyamorous seagulls. They're going to come and pick out your eyes. I've trained them to go for the gonads. Well, this is super weird. I commend you on that. I don't know what to say. I certainly feel uncomfortable. So congratulations on that point. So you want to fill me in on why you're asking this question?
No.
Just to clock her, keep an eye on her. Occasionally, just put the still photos of the fans to watch out for on the big screen. Keep an eye on this woman. Up to something. Also, be on the lookout for seagulls, unless it's just one or two of them. If it's just a couple or 3 seagulls, don't worry about it. But any more than that, warning sign. A gaggle? I don't know. What is a? We know it's like a flock of geese, a murder of seagulls.
Haircut.
Murder. I see what's happening.
You're an 80s child.
It's a murder of crows. I know that. Yeah. What is it for seagulls?
A flock.
It's just a flock.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of a flock. Oh Jesus. It's a nebulous threat, which is the scariest kind.
You don't know when.
Yeah.
You don't know how.
Well, thank you for your Alfred Hitchcockian question. And what the fuck is in your bag?
You'll find out.